If you've been waiting for a renovated, spacious home in the Upper Beaches, then do not miss 72 Robbins Avenue. First time available in 16 years. It is incredible. Come on in, I'll show you around. Open concept living and dining, wide plank hardwood floors, renovated eat-in kitchen with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and a marble backsplash. Enjoy your morning coffee on the covered porch or watch the kids playing outside on the large deck and beautiful backyard with an enormous shed. Upstairs has 3 well-sized principal bedrooms and a gorgeous bathroom. The basement is finished and renovated with a rec room, kitchenette, bathroom, and laundry. This home is located on the quiet side of Robbins Avenue. It's charming and beautiful. Don't miss it. Book your showing today.